So hello everybody, this is Zedley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Vietnamese clear dumpling wrapped in banana leaf. This dish is very fun and easy to make. It's very popular to the Vietnamese people, especially the people from Hue like me. So before we start, I would like to ask for your support for my work by subscribing to my channel, and I thank you so much for doing so. It gives me so much courage to continue uploading and sharing more food recipes with you guys. So with no further ado, let's get started. So with the ingredients, you're gonna need clear wet rice rolls flour, tapioca starch, shrimps. These I already peeled off the shells and cut them in half or three. Cubed pork belly, banana leaves. With this I already wiped it clean and cut into the size of 5.5 by 3.5 inches, which is about 14 by 9 centimeters. And lastly, fish sauce. I'm gonna start with making the batter first. In a bowl, add in 1 bag 12 ounces of clear wet rice flour, half a bag of tapioca starch, 6 ounces, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of hot water. Mix everything well. Make sure all of the flour dissolves into the water. Next, pour in 1.5 cup of boiling water. As you can see, the batter got thickened right away and it works like magic. Whisk everything together. You can use a hand whisk, but it might feel a little bit heavy. Now I'm going to transfer this to a plastic bowl and let it chill in the fridge. Now for the stuffing, on a hot pan add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and when the sugar turns golden brown, add in some sliced shallot, then 2 cups of shrimp, and 2 cups of cubed pork. For seasoning, add in 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 to 5 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 3 tablespoons of water. Turn the heat to low and let the mixture reduce. Lastly, add in a pinch of black pepper and then get it off the heat to cool down. Now we are going to wrap the dumpling. As I'm showing here, the lighter color side will be inward side and the darker with the clear line pattern will be the outward side. Layer with a little bit of oil. Scoop half tablespoon of the batter and then add in the pork and shrimp. Roll it up and pinch on one end, fold it down, and repeat with the other end. With some of the leaves that have any crack in the middle, use the unused part of the leaf to cover it. So in that way you don't waste much on the leaf. Repeat the steps. And I recommend using a plastic spoon. This is a half tablespoon, so the batter won't stick to the spoon. Watching the show Kingdom on Netflix? Anybody? It's so good. Let me know in the comments. With this, I made about 80 dumplings in total. So now I'm going to steam some of them, about 10 for 10 minutes. The rest you can store in the freezer, and by the way, you can also cook them by using the microwave too. About 5 minutes for 10 frozen ones. So after 10 minutes, I'm taking them out and letting them cool down. Then I will show you the result. Ta-da! That looks amazing. And the process was pretty simple, wasn't it? So thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.